Thank you for watching Weekend Prime and welcome back. Now, in addition to skin rejuvenation, sauna bath offers numerous benefits, including improved blood circulation, muscle relaxation, and a reduced risk of dementia. While saunas have been a traditional practice, their popularity surged during the COVID-19 pandemic due to their effectiveness in dealing with chest complications associated with the virus. Now, as more Kenyans became aware of their well-being, sauna culture is on the rise in Nakuru City, where an increasing number of sauna establishments have opened recently. Our reporter Ken Gashui visited some of them and has prepared the following report.
Such signposts welcoming clients for sauna services are becoming more common in Nakuru. This is one of the establishments set up by Joyce Langat and her family after they lost their sibling to COVID-19 related complications.
Firstborn and lastborn in a span of 1 week because of COVID. We knew COVID was because of the chest problem.
Today, Kenyans are increasingly growing more cognizant of their health and taking preventive measures against opportunistic and lifestyle diseases.
We have different categories of people who normally come here. We have politicians, we have lawyers, we have doctors, we also have teachers and many others.
My colleagues and I give it a try. One enters the sauna with minimal clothing to expose the skin to heat. Inside the room is a pot of boiling herbs surrounded by stones which retain the heat. Within minutes, the body begins to release waste through the skin.
Our parents used to have the herbs, and right now we know herbs, they are the ones who are doing well in our bodies. Maybe you can go for 10, 15 minutes. Then you come out for 3 to 4 minutes after relaxing, taking water, and then you go back again.
Sauna services not only cleanses the skin, but also promotes weight loss and reduction of stress and anxiety.
Nilikuwa natumia inhaler. So the moment I started coming here, I stopped using the inhaler and I'm okay now. I am a medical student and I kind of feel like I'm reading a lot. So the moment nakuja hapa, inani refresh.
These cypress beams, which were grain handling facilities, have been converted into an amusement park with sauna services included.
The sauna is becoming common to Kenyans and mostly maybe because it's affordable one. Nowadays lifestyle, anapata body fats, diabetes, high blood pressure, all those diseases. The sauna helps to prevent the diseases, not curing but preventing, and if you go to hospital it becomes more expensive.
Here we are lucky to find two regular clients, Dr. Mary Munyao and Community Health Officer Diana Bosibori. Dr. Munyao says she has managed to control her diabetes through sauna.
I've been living with diabetes now for 13, 14 years. I started getting pains and needles. Nikakunywa Neurobion, nothing happened. Then I remembered my grandma. So I looked for a sauna. After some time, it just disappeared.
For Diana Bosibori, sauna services have come in handy in dealing with risk factors for ailments her doctor warned her about.
When I started coming to sauna, you can see what I have here. It was very big. So a doctor somewhere dealing with cancer researches, I consulted that doctor. I said, go and shed your weight. So my shedding, number one, is through sauna. Though I'm a defaulter, I believe, because whenever I visit here, there's some changes here and in my weight.
Other benefits of regular sauna sessions include muscle relaxation, pain relief, reduced risk of cardiovascular complications, respiratory and kidney diseases, and dementia.
Don't do it alone. Do it with somebody who is a professional who will guide you, because people do collapse actually. Consult your doctor before you come. Make sure you go somewhere where there is supervision.
In addition to steam, sauna can be accessed in other forms including wood burning, electric heating, and infrared technologies. However, sauna bathing is discouraged for children under 5, individuals with history of heart attack, and pregnant women.
One, you're not supposed to use it for prolonged time because it might cause burns. Also, you are supposed to stay hydrated when you're in there.
Ken Gashuhi, KTN.
Just gotta love it. Just gotta love it. Ken Gashuhi Great job right there. Now, private gun owners in Kenya may soon face stricter regulations if proposed